What if I told you that you can unlock a hidden superpower for your PC? I'm talking about turning it into the ultimate command center for your Android phone or tablet. In this explainer, we're going to show you exactly how to do it. You know the feeling, right? Trying to type out a long email or organize your files on a little touchscreen? It can be a real pain. But what if you could just not do that? What if you could bring the power and precision of your PC setup to your Android screen? Well, guess what? You can. We're going to use a fantastic free tool called scrcpy to take full control of your Android device right from your computer. It is an absolute game changer. Now, you do need to have a couple of things set up on your PC first, namely ADB and scrcpy itself. But trust me, the setup is super straightforward and totally worth it. Okay, first things first. We need to unlock a kind of secret menu on your Android device. It's called developer mode, and it's basically the gateway that lets your computer talk to your phone. And don't worry, it sounds way more complicated than it actually is. So grab your device and head into settings and then find about phone or about tablet. Now find the build number and just tap it 7 times. Seriously, it's like a secret knock. You'll get a little message saying you are now a developer. Go back to your main settings screen, find the new developer options menu that just appeared, and flip the switch for USB debugging. So, what did we just do? Well, enabling USB debugging basically opens up a secure little communication channel between your PC and your Android device. It was originally made for app developers, but we're going to use that channel to build our awesome control bridge. All right, with that secret door unlocked on your device, it's time for the official meet and greet. This next bit is all about getting the two devices connected and making sure they trust each other. This one's easy. Just grab your USB cable and plug your Android device right into your computer. Okay, now look at your phone or tablet screen. You should see a pop-up asking if you want to allow USB debugging from this specific computer. This is a really important security step. Go ahead and tap Allow or OK. You're basically telling your device, hey, this computer right here, it's a friend. You can trust it. Perfect. Now that trust has been established on the Android side, let's hop over to the PC and make sure it sees the connection loud and clear. On your computer, you're going to want to open up a terminal or a command prompt. We're going to use a tool called the Android Debug Bridge, or ADB. Just type in the command ADB devices and hit enter. This is basically you asking your computer, hey, any authorized Android devices connected right now? If you see your device's serial number and right next to it the word device, you are golden. That's what we want to see. If it says unauthorized, no sweat. Just look back at your Android device, find that pop-up we talked about, tap allow, and then run the command again. Okay, the setup is officially done. The devices are connected, they trust each other, and now we're ready for the magic. This is the moment it all pays off. Seriously, are you ready for this? All that prep work comes down to one simple little word. This is it. In that same terminal window, just type scrcpy, that's scrcpy for screen copy, and press enter. And just like that, boom, a window pops up on your computer, showing your Android screen live in real time. You can use your mouse to click and swipe, use your actual keyboard to type. That's it. You have full control. Pretty incredible, right? But wait, we're not done yet. What we have just done is amazing. But who wants to be tied down by a cable? Let's check out a couple of pro features to really take this to the next level. Now, sticking with the USB cable is going to give you the most stable, rock-solid connection. It's the simplest way to get started. But for that pure convenience factor, you can absolutely go wireless. Just be aware that its speed really depends on your Wi-Fi network. To make it happen, you start with the USB cable plugged in. You run a quick command to tell the device to start listening over Wi-Fi. Then you find your tablet's IP address and run another command to connect to it. Once that's done, you can unplug the USB cable, run scrpy again, and enjoy that wireless freedom. Okay, controlling your device is one thing, but what if you wanted to record what you're doing? You know, for a tutorial, or maybe to capture some gameplay. Well, this tool has you covered there too. And it couldn't be simpler. You just add one little thing to the command. Type scrcpy-record, and then give it a file name, like my_recording.mp4. The screen will pop up just like before, but when you close it, a perfect, high-quality video of your session is saved to your computer. So we've gone through the how, but let's really dig into the why. This isn't just some neat tech trick. It's a genuine productivity superpower that you can use in all sorts of ways. I mean, the potential here is just massive. You can do live demos for work, mirroring your phone to a giant screen. If you're a developer, you can test apps without constantly picking up your phone. You can be the tech support hero for your family. Or you can just enjoy the simple luxury of typing out long messages on a real keyboard and using a mouse for things that need that extra bit of precision. And you know what the most amazing part is? All of this, the screen mirroring, the keyboard and mouse control, the wireless option, the recording, it all comes from one single, incredibly light and efficient tool. There's no bloat, no ads, just pure performance. So, we've given you the keys to the castle. You now have this incredible power to bridge the gap between your PC and your Android device like never before. The only question left is, what are you going to do with it? What will you create? What problems will you solve? The possibilities are truly endless.